You want to open up the quotes list on your Stripe account by clicking on the quotes under the shortcuts, or through the More option around the bottom left corner of the screen, which you can find the quotes option. You will then see the quotes list on your Stripe account, and you want to click on the export button over here. You may choose the time zone of yours, the date range. For example, I just want to export the data in the last week, while also customizing the data you want to be saved. So click on the default right here and change it to be all column to download all the possible data, or adjust the data as you need by choosing on custom. After you are sure with the data, click on the export button, and it will downloading the CSV file, which you can open on your Excel application or software. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.